Dia, I'm talking to HiNunu, and Charles Bach, you're the CEO and founder, and you gave a presentation about what your product is. You told about trends in the Chinese society. I mean, people getting older, living more alone. How severe is that?
The numbers are very big, Vincent, because we are talking currently of 200 million seniors above 60 years old. Among them, we have 60% who live already alone, and we have a shortage of 10 million professional senior caregivers. And the trend, in 30 years from now on, in 2050, will be around 500 million of Chinese, which is around 40% of the entire population. So let's say almost half of the population will be seniors.
Yeah, and a lot of them live alone.
Exactly.
Okay, and so you've created a product, a platform and a product and a service to connect people to the elderly, to the loved ones who want to make sure that they can monitor, that people can monitor themselves. How does it work?
Exactly. The big vision is to help those seniors to live not only longer but healthier, happier at home, and to bring this peace of mind for the children like you and me who frequent travel and live far away from them. So how does it work? It took us like 12 combined years of R&D in 4 countries in the world to be able to create and launch this AI InsurTech data-driven platform that collect some data, and those data will be used to understand more the situation of the person and mitigate the chronic disease risk. Because today the problem of healthcare is unadapted to help the senior at home, because it's pre-formatted to cure rather than to prevent. And the idea was
we need monitoring, and the mobile phone is the primary instrument to monitor. And what kind of instruments do you have around that?
So we have a box here. In this box, HiNunu, we have 3 kinds of elements. Number 1 is understanding and assessment the risk of the seniors. So we have a DNA testing pack that is focusing on the top 10 risks of the senior: cardiovascular, diabetics type 2, Alzheimer, Parkinson. Then once we got the picture, we go to what you said, mobile monitoring with certified medical connected device. So we have inside, as you see here, different kind of connected mobile medical device, like blood pressure meters. We have oximeters. We have a connected scale, and then we collect these metabolic vital sign biomarkers every day. It takes only one time, less than 5 minutes to do that. And after that, we have the 3rd level of service included in this box, which is the insurance provided by AXA, our partner.
AXA is your provider in China.
Yes.
They're everywhere.
That's everywhere. That's why it's very important.
Are they a good partner?
Fantastic partner. Humanistic driven visionaries. They know that they cannot continue to sell their traditional policies, otherwise they will be the next Kodak. And so they put many resources to scout and know more their customer and be able to protect in a better way, which is parametric or this kind of dynamic pricing based on the risk of the person.
And me as a child, what do I get out of this? I can see how my parents are doing, and I get warnings.
Exactly. So number 1 is having this visibility is fantastic, because today who has the visibility of the health of our parents? We have this app who can forecast the weather and give us the visibility, but why not having this app give us the visibility of health and the forecast? Number 1.
I can imagine,
And number 2 is, in case of trouble, they can be handled in a much better way with telemedicine consultation and in preventive way, rather than to wait there is something wrong and it's already too late.
How do you price the product?
So the price is a 1-year subscription that includes all the 3 components.
How much is that in China?
It's 9,900 renminbi, which is around
800 euro.
Yeah, let's say 1,200 euros. So let's say 100 euro per month, and they have everything here: the assessment, the mobile medical connectivity, and also the 2 insurance from AXA, and the number 1 Ping An, who is delivering the accidental and death up to 100 years old, which is breakthrough innovation in China, without underwriting, without medical record.
Everybody will be accepted.
Exactly.
And this service, you're now at the DIA. Are you looking for partners to introduce this in other countries, or do you want to provide the technology? What is your goal?
Thank you for asking this question. We are looking for two major goals. One is finding potential distributors that can be able to distribute this wellness pack in their country and adapt to the local players and the local needs and legal environment. And the second thing is looking for potential investors that are driven by this humanistic vision of helping a better world, not just money driven, because this is the biggest social issue, and help us to go global.
Okay, so you are already having a product on the market. How many people are using it currently?
So we signed a fantastic deal for 3,000 of this pack with only one distributor, B2B2C. It gives us a fantastic opportunity of having $3 million for the first round of orders. And now we go global in Asia with our partner AXA, who want to distribute that in other countries around China.
How many people in the company?
We are now more than around 15 people.
And who has funded the company?
I self-funded for the majority. And then we have 2 rounds of investors that give us today a market cap of $25 million.
Okay, so you are already quite appreciated because you got some prizes and you got some interesting partners.
Yes.
Wonderful.
In the industry, number 1 in the world, AXA, number 1 in China, Ping An, number 1 in pharma in China, Bayer, fantastic CEO that you saw here, chairman, Selina Chu, visionary, innovative. And we have also the third telco called ZTE in China. And we're about to move with other partners.
Going global. What do you think of DIA?
DIA, first time here, fantastic and amazing number 1 organization. Number 2 exposure with very powerful and game changer in InsurTech. Very surprised that they're coming from 28 countries in the world, and I'm very impressed also of the quality of the people coming and the organization.
Thank you very much, Charles. Appreciate it.